Doug make my meal just how I like it, quick and easy.
Go. Thank you for visiting the Quick and Easy Meals channel.
Doug make my meal just how I like it, quick and easy. I'm like, Doug, make my meal quick and easy. Doug, make my meals quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meal quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meal 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 quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meal quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meal quick and easy.
Okay, let's get started on this low carb keto broccoli cheddar soup. First, we will melt about a tablespoon of butter. Next, we're going to add some garlic, minced garlic. You can use jar garlic, whatever you want, but I prefer fresh squeezed garlic. How much you add is totally up to you. Just depends on how much you like. I added 6 cloves of garlic. Okay, next we're going to add the broth. Now, I did kind of over roast my garlic, but that's all right. It smells so good it doesn't even matter. So that's what happens when you get caught up texting when you're supposed to be cooking. All right, so we're going to add our broth and we're going to add our heavy cream. So that's a 2.5 cups. So got another half a cup of broth to go. And then a cup of heavy cream. And we'll let that go to a boil. So turn your heat up and make sure that boils. And okay, while that was boiling, getting hot, I was rummaging through my refrigerator and I forgot I had shrimp. Now, I'm not gonna recommend putting shrimp in this soup, but I'm gonna put shrimp in this soup because I gotta get rid of this shrimp. And you know, hey, I like shrimp, I like the soup. Combine them, it should be twice as good. So that's just optional. Shrimp, no shrimp. We'll see what it tastes like when it's all said and done, right? Now that we got the soup starting to boil, we're gonna add in the broccoli. Now, like I said, I'm gonna add some shrimp. So that's kind of just preparing on the stove just a little bit, just to cook it for about a minute. Then I'm gonna mix it in. I don't want to put it in too early. I don't want it to get rubbery. So I'm gonna add the shrimp towards the end. But we're gonna add in this broccoli. And we're gonna get that all stirred up. Then we'll be adding in our cheese, our cheddar cheese. So we'll let that cook for a minute. When we add the cheese, we'll just keep that stirred up for about 15 minutes. Then we'll add in our shrimp. Now, we turn the heat down a little bit to medium. Let it simmer and we'll gradually add in the cheese. You know, you can just add as much cheese as you need. But we'll just keep this going for the next 15 minutes or so. We don't want the broccoli to get too soft, but we're gonna have to add in our bacon bits and our shrimp. after we get all the cheese added, all the cheese that we want added. So it's all up to you. So we have successfully added about 2 bags of the cheese, which is good enough for me. I like the consistency, so I think it's gonna be perfect. Now, we're gonna be adding in the bacon bits shortly. Now, this bag of bacon bits costs $15. That's a little expensive, but for what you get, I think it's worth it, because you could Before I add the shrimp, I'm going to add a little pepper, and then I'm going to add some salt. Then I'm going to add the shrimp. Then I'm going to be done. Now I'm going to add the shrimp. And the thing about the shrimp is it's deveined and deshelled, so it's not like you're gonna have to pick stuff out of your mouth when you eat it. So there you go. I think it's a great addition. I just didn't want to waste my shrimp. And there you go. What do you think? Dinner time.
Doug make my meal just how I like it, quick and easy. I'm like, Doug, make my meal quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meals quick and easy. Make my meal quick and
Okay. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel.